Performing cable diagnostics on a Ruckus switch, using Time Domain Reflectometry, TDR, is a crucial step in identifying and resolving physical layer issues that may affect network performance. To begin, access the switch's command line interface, CLI, and execute the command PHY cable-diag TDR port, replacing port with the specific port number you wish to test. This command initiates the TDR test, which sends electrical pulses through the cable to detect anomalies. After the test completes, retrieve the results by entering Show cable-diag TDR port. The output will display the status of each wire pair: pair A, pins 1 and 2, pair B, pins 3 and 6, pair C, pins 4 and 5, and pair D, pins 7 and 8, with possible statuses, including open, indicating the pair is not properly connected; terminated, the pair is properly connected at both ends; short, a direct electrical connection between the two wires in the pair, usually due to the wires touching each other somewhere along the cable's length; and unknown, a known issue on two 5G ports on 7150 series switches, indicating an unreliable test result. It's important to note that different Ethernet standards utilize different pairs. 10T and 100T use only pairs A and B, while 1000T employs all four pairs. Therefore, interpreting the TDR results requires understanding the specific Ethernet standard in use and the corresponding pair utilization. For instance, in a 100 Mbps connection, pairs A and B should show as terminated, while pairs C and D may display as short or open, since they are not used in this standard. Conversely, in a Gigabit Ethernet connection, all pairs should ideally show as terminated. By carefully analyzing these results, you can pinpoint physical layer issues such as cable breaks, shorts, or improper terminations, thereby facilitating targeted troubleshooting and maintenance of your network infrastructure.